In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from TradeW. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard is inside your overview tab, you want to click on the withdraw button on here, and then you have two options. You could do withdrawal or crypto withdrawal, okay? So for both of these, you first have to complete ID verification. So if you haven't done that yet, make sure you actually do that first, because otherwise you won't be able to do it. Here, if you do the withdrawal, you first have to select your account where you're holding some funds, and then of course you want to type in the amount you want to withdraw, and then you can just go ahead, press confirm, and go to the next steps. However, most of you are likely going to be doing crypto withdrawals, I'm assuming, so you could go to crypto withdrawal as well here, and then you first have to select your account where you're holding some crypto. I'm gonna go this one, and then here you first have to select your currency. Now, as you can see, you could do USDT or TRX, so that's of course completely up to you. I'm just going to do USDT for now. And then here you have the withdrawal network. So as you can see, you have two options. I'm going to do TRC20. And then here you also need to paste in your withdrawal address. So you must go to your wallet where you actually want to receive your crypto into. I have my Trust wallet over here, and I'm going to open up the Trust wallet. There we go. I'm going to switch over to the Tron chain. So I'm going to type in Tron. There we go. TRC20. And then here I'm going to just click on the fund button, receive from another wallet, and then here I'm just going to click USDT, and I'm going to click on copy. So as you can see, it says only send Tether, which is USDT, TRC20 assets to this address. This is correct. TRC20, it's USDT, and then here I can paste in my withdrawal address. There we go. And then when you do this, you also have to select the amount here. So let's say I had $100 worth. I could just type that in, press on the confirm button, and then this will basically go through. Okay, so that's how you can basically do this. Just make sure you do withdraw to the correct network and correct currency whenever you are pasting in your withdrawal address. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.